Right, so I'm a little bit sweaty. Been cutting a trail for the last hour or so. And normally when you're cutting trails, you make a lot of noise. So you don't see too much. But today I found a little treat. I've been waiting to find one of these for ages. So this is jabuchi. It's basically a tortoise. You can see. Very cute, isn't he? Very, very cute. Yeah, jabuchi. Yellow-footed tortoise. Very, very cute. Hello guys. We are now in the 2022 classroom. This is the new addition to the videos. You've seen I've stitched together some videos that we've caught from this year. This year has been incredible. Best year of my life, best year for content. What we've managed to see and put out there for you guys to see has been absolutely marvellous. I'm really happy with what we've caught. A lot of surprises as well, obviously a lot of encounters I did not expect to have. So today's episode for the new 22, we're going to start with the yellow-footed tortoise. Now you would have seen from the two videos I've put up, obviously there was an encounter where I was cutting a trail at the time. I'd gone in the jungle looking for new trees, new fruits, just anything, any indication of animals that might potentially be there. And while cutting, I discovered a little yellow-footed tortoise on the other side of a log as I was cutting. Now this is only the second I've found in my time in Amazonas. I've been in and out of Amazonas for the last 6 years, and the last one I found 3 years ago. Now because they move so quietly, they're very hard to find, so you often only find them when you're crossing paths. And like both occasions, they're just a shell. There's no movement. They'd already pulled all their arms and legs in and their head, and then were just hiding, hoping that they wouldn't be seen. So we were not a predator in either of those. So we left them alone, and he continued on his way shortly after. But very, very hard animal to find in the jungle. Obviously, the big surprise was when we caught one on the remote camera. Now, I did not expect to catch a jabuti or a tortoise past our camera, just because they move so slow. I wasn't really sure if the sensor would go off on the camera, but as you can see, it was a very big adult compared to the juvenile that I encountered. So yeah, it was a really nice video for us to see the speed that they move, obviously the size that they can achieve. He was also eating some plants, and off he went down a path that all the animals and ourselves had used. So I thought it was a really, really nice video. Very, very lucky to catch that. So that is the first episode of 2022. Far more content to come from all the different animals, some new animals as well. I haven't quite shown you. If you were following previously, there was 50 videos that went up. We actually have 57 to date. There was another 7. I have another, I don't know, 9 or 10 that are being in the process of being made as well. So much more content to come. We've got all the plants to come. We've got me returning back to Amazonas next year as well, so that'll be another 6 months, potentially longer. Lots of ideas to come. So I really, really hope you enjoy our new look for 2022. Enjoy the rest of 2021 with your families and friends. Have a great new year, and I'll see you next year. Ciao, ciao. Thank you.
No, Kevin. Mina do it. Spita. Mina do it. Spita. Bakao! Hidi hider. How about you, banana? But the apple pishara. Indeed, banana.